Okay, so this is the question 2 of the CXE May-June 2023 maths exam. We have part A and part B. In part A, we're multiplying two algebraic fractions. And since we're multiplying, we're going to simplify numerator with denominator using the highest common factor. If we look at this numerator and this denominator, we see that we can divide both by 4. 4 goes into itself once and into 16 4 times. This denominator and this numerator can be simplified since 5 can enter both. 5 goes in itself once and into 15 3 times. We also look at the variable x. X can enter itself once. So we are left with 1 times 3 gives us 3, and 1 times 4 gives us 4. So after finish simplifying numerator with denominator, we multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Next, we want to solve the following inequality. Now, every step of the way, we keep putting back the inequality. That's important. Unless we divide by a negative or multiply by a negative number, where we'd have to flip the sign around. But in this case, we're going to just transpose terms. So we want to get the m terms on the left-hand side. So this negative 8m becomes positive. We'd have minus 4m. Since we did not transpose it, we just put it back. The 5, not transpose. And so we're going to transpose the 12, so the sign has to change. That is in front of it, from a positive to a negative 12. Now we can treat this as 8m minus 4m, which gives us 4m, less than or equal to 5 minus 12, which gives us negative 7. Next, we need to isolate m, and we consider how it's connected to 4, and it's connected by multiplication. So dividing by 4, we are left with m is less than or equal to negative 7 over 4. This is a top-heavy fraction, meaning the numerator is higher in terms of quantity than the denominator. And so what we can do is to convert it to a mixed number. 4 goes into 7 only once, and we have a remainder of 3 over 4. You can take this as the answer or this. Either is fine. Alright, so in the next video, we'll look at part C, which is this question.